Welcome to this 5 minutes relaxation practice. Settle onto your mat, your chair or bed. Let yourself land. Relax your forehead, your jaw, your shoulders. Let go of your day. Let go of your expectations. Take a deep breath in and a long exhale out. Take another deep, luxurious breath in and an even longer exhale out. So much of our day is reaching outwards. Tune into yourself. Notice your breath. Can you feel your heartbeat? Or maybe your pulse in your fingertips? Perhaps a subtle pulsation of your abdominal aorta above your belly button. Drop inwards and notice how you feel. Meet yourself exactly where you are. Take another deep breath in. Send your breath to the front, sides, and back of your chest. And another long exhale out. This practice is about checking in, not checking out. It is about nourishing the body by focusing on the breath. Spend another few moments observing your inhalations and exhalations, one at a time. If your mind wanders, that's absolutely normal. Just notice it and gently and kindly guide it back to your breath like a puppy. A thought is a heartbeat of a brain. Many thoughts may arise. Just observe them like clouds on the sky passing by. When you're ready, wiggle your fingers and toes, open your eyes, look around yourself, notice the surroundings, and continue with your day.